The climate is changing and represents one of the greatest challenges humanity has ever encountered. In order to avert some of the worst effects of climate change, we need to stop global temperature from rising. To achieve that, global carbon emissions must be dropped down to zero in the early future. For the global economy to achieve net zero carbon emissions, electricity primarily from renewables such as hydrogen is expected to be important in the future energy system. Pure hydrogen is very scarce. It mainly exists combined with oxygen in the form of water. There are three main types of produced hydrogen. Gray hydrogen, which is created from natural gas with a process called steam methane reforming or SMR. The use of gray hydrogen entails substantial CO2 emissions, which makes these hydrogen technologies unsuitable for a road toward net zero emissions. Blue hydrogen uses the same methods as gray, except with technology enabled called CCS or carbon captured and stored, which can capture up to 90% of the CO2 produced, which means that 10% of the CO2 will still be emitted. Green hydrogen, which can be produced through electrolysis, where electricity is used to separate water into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen that comes from this process called zero carbon hydrogen, where the electricity comes from renewable sources. Today's hydrogen production is mostly based on natural gas and coal, which together account for 95% of production, while electrolysis produces around 5% of global hydrogen. New update of electrolysis. We proposed using a catalyst made of nickel iron, an element that is less expensive and more abundant in the environment, and developed an electrically conductive shell that boosted hydrogen production to 10 times that of the traditional method. Finally, green hydrogen will play a critical role in the global decarbonization effort.